अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह टाटे बचो आज छे ऐसे युस ऐसे लेसन ऐसे पढ़ान सेवंथ किस यथ सेवंथ हिस्ट्री मज डिवोशनल पाथ्स टू द डिवाइन यम ऐसे त्रेन तकरीबन त्रेन सबकन मज ऐसे कोर आज छे ऐसे तमिक क्वेश्चन करें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 छे ऐसे मैच द फॉलोइंग युस तै स्क्रीनस पे वुनकस ब्रोट कन छु तो अमुक अथ आंसर युस जन छु द बुद्धा अत लगे ब्रोट कन सत क्वेश्चनड सोशल डिफरेंसेस अम पे ब्या शंकरा देवा नामगार ठीक अम पे निज़ामुद्दीन अवलिया सोफी सेंट अम पे नयनारज वर्शिप ऑफ शिवा अम पे अलवारज वर्शिप ऑफ विष्णु यह गो मैच क्वेश्चन अम पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स शंकरा वाज एन एडवोकेट ऑफ डैश अत एडिवेटा बोन कन आंसर्स लिखित दोम रामानुजा वाज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द डैश अत क्या अलवारस यानी अमुक आंसर ती बोन कन दिथ पे डैश एंड डैश वायर एडवोकेट्स ऑफ वीरा शिविज्म अत बसवन्ना तो बेकिस हिश खल जाए अल्लामा प्रभु ठीक अत त्रीम तन अम पे यह गो सीस अत बे गोस अकामा देवी त्रीम डी पार्ट डैश वाज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट सेंटर ऑफ द भक्ति ट्रेडिशन इन महाराष्ट्र अत गो आंसर पंदारपुर या पेंडारपुर ठीक गो अम पे क्वेश्चन डिस्क्राइब द बिलीफ्स एंड प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ द नथपंथीज सिद्धास एंड योगीज आंसर दे एडवोकेट renunciation of the world. They believed that the path to salvation lay in meditation on the formless God and the realization of oneness with it. To achieve this, they advocated intense training of the mind and body through practices like yoga, senses, breathing exercise, and meditation. What were the major ideas expressed by Kabir? How did he express these? Answer: the major ideas expressed by Kabir include rejection of major religious tradition, criticism of all forms of external worship of both Brahminical Hinduism and Islam, criticism of priestly classes and caste system, belief in a formless supreme God, emphasis on bhakti or devotion to achieve salvation. Kabir expressed his ideas in a vast collection of verses known as sakhis and pairs. These are said to have been composed by him and sung by wandering bhajan singers. What were the major beliefs and practices of the Sufis? Sufis were Muslim mystics. They rejected outward religiosity and gave emphasis on love and devotion to God. They inspired people to be compassionate towards all fellow human beings. They rejected ideal worship and considerably simplified rituals of worship into collective prayers. They believed that the heart can be trained to look at the world in a different way. They developed elaborate methods to training using zikr, meaning chanting of a name of sacred formula, contemplation, psalm singing, rags dancing, discussion of parables, breath control, and under the guidance of a master called a peer. What do you think may teachers reject prevalent religious beliefs and practices? Answer: many teachers rejected prevalent religious beliefs and practices because they were based on social differences, excess ritualism, and outward display piety. Question number 7. What were the major teachings of Baba Guru Nanak? Answer: Baba Guru Nanak emphasized the importance of the worship of one God. He insisted that caste, creed, or gender was irrelevant for attaining liberation. His idea of liberation was based on the pursuit of active life with a strong sense of social commitment. He used the terms nam, dan, and isnan for the essence of his teachings, which actually meant right worship, welfare of others, and purity of conduct. He gave importance to right belief and worship, honest living, and helping others. Guru Nanak thus prompted, promoted, promoted the idea of equality for either of Virashalvas or the saints of Maharashtra discuss their attitude towards caste. Attitude of the Virashivas towards caste: they believed in the equality of all human beings. They were against Brahmanical ideas about caste and the treatment of women. They wished for a society where people of all backgrounds could live in harmony without any feelings of high and low, rich and poor. What do you think ordinary people preserved the memory of Mirabai? Answer: Mirabai was a Rajput princess married into the royal family of Mewar, but she had no interest in the worldly affair. She was an ardent devotee of Krishna and wanted to devote her time to the worship of her Lord. She had no belief in princely status and other norms of high class society. Her devotion to her deity was supreme. Hence, she left the royal palace and began to lead simple life with ordinary people. The empath kya chu gobronum very short answer type questions. E banawo at PDF file the yim trawo pata the man's